Hi, I'm Francesca, and today I'm going to teach you how to do chair pose utkatasana the right way and the wrong way. Let's start with the wrong way. The knees collapse towards one another. The knees pass the ankles. The lower back is rounded. The shoulders collapsing, the chest collapse, and the vision down. The right way feels actually better. Feet are together, toes spread wide. The knees are in line with the ankles, and you'll know that because you're able to see your feet. Sitting bones back, arc on the low back, arc at the chest. The crown of the head and the tail at a diagonal line. Now the arms can lift easily, the lungs lift, the armpits lift, the fingertips reach, and the vision goes up.